Boost efficiency and quality with the Xylitol Chewing Gum Candy Production Line, designed for high-speed manufacturing of sugar-free, refreshing chewing gum. Perfect for large-scale production, this system ensures precise shipping, consistent texture, and long-lasting flavor. Automated mixing foaming ensures uniform texture and taste. High-speed output produces large batches efficiently. Customizable options supports various shapes, flavors, and coatings. Hygienic, easy to maintain, built with food-grade materials for safety and durability. Increases production efficiency, reduces labor costs, while maximizing output. Consistent quality control ensures uniform gum pieces in every batch. Enhance your confectionery production with the Xylitol Chewing Gum Candy Production Line, delivering freshness in every bite.